The future belongs to those who see beyond, who think on a global scale. GK College of Business, Arts and Technology welcomes your vision of a brighter career. With flexible online learning and limited face-to-face classes, you can study while balancing work and life. Now offering programs designed for future achievers. Bachelor in Fine Arts. Be trained by the masters. Express your creativity and turn passion into timeless art. Bachelor in Multimedia Arts. Learn the techniques of the trade. Create, design, and tell stories that inspire. Bachelor of Science in Information Systems with specialization in cybersecurity. Protect and serve the digital world and power the future of technology. With over 15 years in the training industry, GK College is accredited by the Commission on Higher Education and recognized by international partners such as CompTIA, EC Council, and ICDL. From learners to leaders, from local to global, we mold you into future achievers. GK College. Make your passion a profession. Enroll now.